How to adjust audio on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to adjust audio on PUBG. Adjusting audio on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the PUBG game on your mobile device. Go to Setting. Tap on the gear icon usually located at the bottom right corner of the main menu. Select the audio tab. In the setting menu, navigate to the audio tab. Adjust audio setting. Here you will see various audio settings including master volume, music volume, sound effect volume, voice chat volume, game voice volume. Enable disable voice chat. You can also toggle voice chat on or off if you wish to communicate with your teammates or not. Test audio settings. After making adjustment, you can enter a match or training mode to test how the audio setting works. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can adjust audio on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.